Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that has the power to completely change your life: self-discipline. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, self-discipline is the key to unlocking everything you've ever wanted to achieve. If you've ever struggled with staying consistent, if you've set goals but never followed through, or if you just feel like life is slipping through your fingers, then stick around, because this video is for you. So, let's break it down. What exactly is self-discipline? We hear that word a lot, but it's more than just waking up early or hitting the gym. Self-discipline is the ability to do what you know you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. It's about making choices that align with your long-term goals, instead of giving in to what feels easy or comfortable in the moment. Think of it like this: self-discipline is your internal GPS. It's what guides you when motivation fades, when distractions come up, or when things just get tough. And let's be real, there are going to be times when it's tough, but the people who succeed, the ones who achieve their goals, they're the ones who push through when it's hard. And that's where self-discipline comes in. Motivation is great, right? That burst of energy you get when you're excited about something new. But here's the thing: motivation doesn't last. You can't rely on it to carry you through your goals. Sure, it's easy to start a new project when you're motivated, when everything feels fresh and exciting. But what happens when that initial spark fades? What happens on the days when you don't feel like it? That's where most people fall off. They wait for motivation to come back, but let me tell you something. You can't wait for motivation. You need self-discipline to keep going, even when you're tired, bored, or not in the mood. Because in the end, it's not about how you feel in the moment, it's about what you do. Discipline is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. Now let's talk about how you actually build self-discipline. It's not something that just magically happens overnight. It's a skill, a muscle, that you have to strengthen over time. So, here's what's worked for me. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire life at once. Start with something simple. Maybe it's committing to waking up 30 minutes earlier each day, or setting aside 15 minutes to read or work on a personal project. The key is to choose something small and stick to it. Small, consistent actions are far more powerful than big, sporadic ones. Create a routine. Self-discipline thrives on routine. When you have a schedule, when you know exactly what you need to do and when to do it, it eliminates decision fatigue. You're not constantly asking yourself, should I do this now? Instead, you've already planned it, so you just do it. Remove temptations. Look, it's hard to stay disciplined when you're surrounded by distractions. If your goal is to focus on your work, then remove the things that pull your attention away, whether it's social media, video games, or Netflix. Make it easier for yourself to stay disciplined by creating an environment that supports your goals. Track your progress. This is a big one for me. When you're trying to build self-discipline, it's easy to lose sight of how far you've come. So, track your progress. Keep a journal. Write down what you're doing each day and celebrate the small wins. Progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Here's something important to remember. Self-discipline is as much about saying no as it is about saying yes. You have to be willing to say no to the things that don't serve you, that don't align with your goals. That could mean turning down a night out because you need to work on your business, or it could mean skipping the junk food because you're committed to your health. Saying no isn't easy. It's uncomfortable. But every time you do it, you're reinforcing your discipline. You're telling yourself, I'm in control. I make the decisions here. And that's powerful. When you start saying no to the things that distract you or derail you, you create space to say yes to the things that truly matter. Now, let's be real. There will be setbacks. You're going to slip up. You're going to have days when you don't follow through. And that's okay. Self-discipline isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. So, when you hit a setback, don't beat yourself up. Don't quit just because you missed a day or fell off track. What matters is how you respond to those setbacks. Instead of thinking, well, I messed up, so I might as well give up. Shift your mindset to, I slipped up, but I'm getting back on track tomorrow. Self-discipline is about resilience, about getting back up every time you fall. Remember, Success isn't about never falling. It's about always getting back up. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Self-discipline is a long game. The results don't come immediately, and that's why so many people quit. But if you stick with it, if you commit to building discipline in every area of your life, the rewards are incredible. Think about it. The life you want, the success you're chasing, it's all within your reach. But you've got to be willing to do the work, day in and day out. It won't always be easy, but the payoff? It's worth every ounce of effort. Self-discipline creates freedom. It's the freedom to live life on your own terms, to achieve your goals, and to become the person you know you can be. So, don't wait for the right moment. Don't wait for motivation. Start now. Build your discipline and watch your life transform. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this video gave you some insight and motivation to start building self-discipline in your life. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and of course, subscribe for more content on how to stay motivated, build better habits, and take control of your future. Remember, your future is shaped by what you do today. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and go after what you want. I'll see you in the next video.